paid any attention to this. We still believe that there was a great king. There is no, if I go by the reference photography, there was nothing of this kind. Then, why don't we also try to ponder over if this was not a great king theory? What was the interest, other interest of the colonial empire there, not only in Kashmir, and their interest was not confined to Kashmir. If that would have been the case, poor Stein would not have been sent to Central Asia to write 5 volumes on Silk Road. Why the Britishers are doing this? It is not part of the Great Game Theory, and I think it was basically their own economic interest, and they wanted to expand their market as far as possible, and therefore they coined and they needed justification for all things, as they needed justification for the commercialization of agriculture, and that is how I think the Great Game Theory has come up. So our agenda should be, whenever we write, knowingly or unknowingly, we carry the burden of this colonial agenda, and it gets reflected in our agenda as well. There is a need for us to also move away from that agenda and have our separate agenda. And only then possibly, because as far as the sources are concerned, we all know that the sources do not change. We still have the same kind of sources. We keep talking about archaeological sources, literary sources, this sources and that sources. It is only the question that needs to be changed. And when the set of questions would change, possibly a new set of answers will start arising. We are not asking that fresh questions, and some of the fresh questions which have been offered here can be very, very useful. Now, then the archaeology is another part, and especially about in the case of Jammu and Kashmir. I think it has been a deliberate part of historical writing. There are enough archaeological excavation, and apart from archaeological excavation, hundreds and thousands of villages even in this area have been explored, surface